Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be working on the John Deere 3320 tractor, and we're getting an error of 01, and it's not allowing us to move the tractor forward or backwards. And this is just one of many things that it possibly could be, but what I did to this tractor, it took care of the problem and we were able to move it backwards and forward. So let's go ahead and get started.
Right underneath the pedals, there's going to be a plastic box here, and you're going to need to remove that. And there's going to be two little plastic tabs that you're going to have to pull out. Once you do that, then you can pull this cover right off. So there's going to be one plastic tab for right here, and then another one that goes right here. You're going to need to pull that off. Now you're probably going to end up breaking the plastic tabs like I did, so you're going to want to make sure that you get some replacements. So what's happening on these pedals is right up in between where the pedal hits the top here, there's dirt that collects up inside there. And it only takes a little bit of dirt to keep that pedal from coming down. Going back up. So if the pedals are not going all the way back up, it's designed so you can't push them both at the same time. So just clean the dirt out of there like that. You can see all the dirt coming out of there. Clean the dirt all out of there. That's all we did, and it took care of the error, and we was able to move the tractor. It's that simple. So once you've tested it and everything is okay, go ahead and put the cover back on. It's important to get this cover back on because this is what's keeping the dirt out of there. And make sure that you put some plugs back in it to hold it in.
Well, all right, there it is. Not a whole lot to it. I'm not going to say this is going to fix your problem, but that's what took care of this one. And it did not fail here. It failed on a project that we were on. So I hope this is a quick fix for you just as much as it was for us. And stay tuned for the next one.